Hey everyone, welcome back to Roosevelt Multimedia. If you are new here, I'm Roosevelt. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a logo redesign concept that I did for MTN, a leading telecommunication company. MTN has a rich history that dates back to its founding in 1994. Over the years, the company has evolved significantly, and so has its branding. Let's take a quick look at how MTN's logo has changed over the years. So this logo was used from 1994 to 1999, and then they moved on to use this logo from 1999 to 2002. They changed their logo again to this from 2002 to 2022. In 2022, they changed their logo again to the current logo that they are using now. Today, MTN's logo is a symbol of connectivity, innovation, and leadership in the telecom industry. Before diving into the design, I spent some time researching MTN's brand identity. The goal was to understand what makes MTN unique and how its branding has evolved over the years. I wanted to retain the essence of their identity whilst modernizing it. I noticed that the current MTN's logo has strong recognition due to its color scheme and simplicity. Therefore, I decided to keep the iconic yellow but play around with the design elements to give it a fresh look. Next, I move on to the design phase. I used Adobe Illustrator for most of the work. My first step was to sketch out various concepts, experimenting with different shapes and layouts. I wanted the new logo to be bold yet simple, reflecting MTN's innovative and customer-centric approach. One of the challenges I faced was balancing modernity with familiarity. I wanted the new logo to be recognizable to existing customers while attracting new ones. After several iterations, I found a design that I felt captured the essence of MTN. Let's break down the elements of the logo. I opted for a cleaner, more streamlined font to give a contemporary feel. The yellow remains the dominant color, symbolizing optimism and energy. I also maintained the oval shape in their current logo, representing connectivity. And then I combined the letters M, T, and N to signify MTN's role in bringing people together. I wanted the logo to show the bold personality of MTN, so I boldened the letter MTN and then I thickened the oval shape a little bit. Here is the final design. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's modern, versatile, and still true to MTN's brand identity. To ensure its versatility, I tested the logo across different platforms, from mobile apps to billboards, and it looks great everywhere. Overall, I believe this rebrand will strengthen MTN's brand presence and help them connect even more with their audience. It's been an exciting project. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more design contents. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts on the new MTN logo redesign concept. And if you are interested in more behind the scene content, follow me on social media. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.